In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all chats in the ChatGPT iPhone app. If you're looking to wipe your conversation history and start fresh, this walkthrough will guide you through the exact steps with a few tips to help you feel confident about what's happening along the way. Deleting all chats removes your existing conversations from your account and can't be undone, so it's a good idea to make sure you don't need anything before you proceed. If there are messages you want to keep, quickly copy them somewhere safe before continuing. First, open the ChatGPT app on your iPhone. Give it a moment to load your home screen. From here, look to the top left corner and tap the menu icon. It's the button with two horizontal lines. That opens a side panel with your app options and account details. At the bottom of that menu, tap your profile. This takes you to your account area where you can adjust settings and manage your data. We're going to focus on the privacy section that controls what the app stores. On the settings screen, look for an option labeled Data Controls. This is the hub for managing your stored conversations and other data-related preferences. When you see it, tap Data Controls to open it. Inside Data Controls, you'll find an option called Delete All Chats. This is the command that clears your entire chat history from your account, including conversations visible on this device and synced across your other devices. When you're ready, tap Delete All Chats. The app will show a confirmation prompt to make sure this is what you want. Read the message carefully so you understand that the action is permanent. If you're sure, tap Confirm to proceed with the deletion. The app will process the request, and within a moment, your conversation list will be cleared. A couple of quick reminders as you finish up. This process removes your chat history, but doesn't affect your subscription, your ability to use the app, or your login. If you return to the main screen and don't see the change right away, give it a second or pull to refresh your conversations. Also, if the layout in your app looks slightly different, don't worry. Design updates happen from time to time. The key path remains the same. Menu, Profile, Data Controls, Delete All Chats, and Confirm. That's it. You've successfully deleted all chats in the ChatGPT iPhone app. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this guide if you want to double check the steps.